Pronouns Part 1.
Jia told me that Jia will give chocolate today. But Jia has forgotten.
Dodo, why have you repeated Jia so many times?
Just like that for fun.
Dodo, instead of repeating Jia so many times, you can be used.
You?
Yes, you is pronoun. Pronouns are the words that can be used in place of proper or common nouns.
To avoid repetition of nouns.
Yes, Dodo, exactly. Some pronouns are I, we, he, she, her, it, they, him, and them.
Okay, now examples.
Rima saw Tim and greeted Tim. So instead of writing like this, we can write Rima saw Tim and greeted him. Nidhi bought a new dress. Nidhi bought it from Delhi. So instead of writing like this, we can write Nidhi bought a new dress. She bought it from Delhi. Mrs. Jenny is a good lady. Mrs. Jenny teaches us science. So instead of writing like this, we can write Mrs. Jenny is a good lady. She teaches us science. Dodo, have you understand? Now it's your turn to give few examples.
Yes. Jim, Joe and Peck are my friends. These books belong to Jim, Joe and Peck. So instead of writing like this, we can write Jim, Joe and Peck are my friends. These books belong to them. Somu is Shikha's friend. Somu gave Shikha a gift. So instead of writing like this, we can write Somu is Shikha's friend. He gave her a gift. This is Ankit. Ankit likes to ride bicycle. So instead of writing like this, we can write this is Ankit. He likes to ride bicycle.
To know more about pronouns, subscribe Waffle Cone.